Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. So ADA might also have completed the E wave of this triangle. It's a pattern that we've been tracking on several charts, including, for example, XRP, Litecoin, some other charts where we had triangles. This triangle could have been completed with the top on Monday. Monday we had the fake news about Bitcoin's ETF come out, and that did lead to some targets being reached on these counts, on these charts, including the ADA chart, which might have reached here the end of this E-wave triangle. We've been tracking this triangle as one of these scenarios to complete the overall triangle, which started already in December. So we've got this large triangle here that has been playing out between December and basically now, where we have two options to complete this triangle. To be honest, still the higher E wave, which is the last wave of the triangle, would look better. It would take the price into the region between 30 and 34 cents before we come down. Another option is that the E wave of the triangle is not playing out as a larger corrective rally like this, but instead playing out as a triangle itself. Very, very frustrating and very boring. And obviously, I think we would all agree that it has been really boring on the ADA chart in recent weeks. I mean, you can see how the volatility has been reducing. Yeah, and that just indicates a potential triangle might be playing out. What I cannot promise to you is that this triangle is indeed breaking to the downside. It would need proof. We would need to see a break below 23.7 cents as indicated in the last few days. What is also possible is that we get a breakout to the upside, but it's not very evident at this stage. But, ADA could do that. Still possible, yeah, and this triangle could just play out as an X wave triangle. That's another option, yeah, and then the Y wave just breaks to the upside from here, or the X wave finished and we have an A, B, C structure. So there are still plenty of options for a breakout to the upside, and the level to watch for this breakout to the upside is the 27 cent level. Is basically here this swing high that was made on Monday, the 2nd of October. Until then, I think downside pressure remains, and I would now actually prefer a breakout to the downside. That would be more in line with Bitcoin expectations, Ether expectations, XRP expectations, Litecoin expectations. A lot of these coins are in a similar pattern. I mean, Bitcoin, Ethereum, not really in a triangle necessarily, but also they are basically ready for the move down, or they should be at least, unless they want to drag it out for a bit longer. But yeah, this is sort of what I'm watching against the 27 cent level. However, the price would need to break below the 23.7 cent level next. And below that level, we have one last level to watch, which is 22 cents. And I mean, this is the Binance chart. I'm sure that low that was made on the 10th of June differs slightly in terms of price when we talk about different exchanges. So between exchanges, we might probably have slightly different prices, so we have to be a bit flexible there. Unfortunately, the cryptos are still a little bit of a wild west here, the crypto exchanges and everything. So, but yeah, I mean, the minimum requirements for this triangle are fulfilled. We've got A, B, C, D, E complete, which is the triangle structure. We have seen a strong rejection from the target area for wave E, and if we come down now and break below 23.7 cents, well, that would indicate further that we are breaking down here, and it could then take us into the region around the 15 cent level. Looking at the microstructure, let's go to the 1 hour chart. So looking at the microstructure for ADA, again, this is absolutely not reliable if I show you a micro count like that, especially because the structure is very choppy. But if we really assume this triangle is finished, I mean, this would be the end of the overall triangle, which we're counting as a wave 4. So a wave 5 to the downside would start, and that would be a 5-wave move. So we're looking for 5 waves down. And obviously these are only the first subdivisions here. But we would say that the move down, the initial move down, could have been a wave 1. The move up here could have been a wave 2. And then here we might have another, or to be honest, the wave 2 might sit here. Yeah. And this could be another 1-2 setup. But if that's the case, then we have a 1-2, 1-2, and you would need to really start the party to the downside now, because that would be a 3rd wave rally now. Not rally, breakdown. And until that shows, I mean, this would give us further evidence But until that shows, we're just hovering above support. And this could also form a head and shoulders pattern here, okay? Talked about that yesterday, I think. Just the right shoulder could stretch out a little bit more in size. Just width, basically. Yeah, but that's basically where we are. Not much movement, really boring price action, just dancing around that 25, 26 cent level. 23.7 cents is the breakdown point. 27 cents is a breakout point to the upside. But it would only probably, from what we can see right now, it would only delay new bear market lows. Yeah, that's my update about ADA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.